today's video I'm going to show you a simple scalping strategy that will help you to turn you $10 into $1,000 every single day. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Our step number one, we are going to be moving the strategy like this. We are going to be using a Bollinger Band. So this is going to be our Bollinger Band, and then the market is going to be moving the high, making the lower lows and lower highs. So when do we take an entry? We are taking an entry when the market is approaching to the touch the Bollinger Band, and we are going to be using the trend lines. Are you getting the point? So we draw our trend lines to connect the lower highs or the lower lows of the market, and then after using our trend line, we wait the first candle of the market to come and touch our Bollinger Band. When the candle touch exactly our Bollinger Band, here is the point where we're going to be buying, and then we bring back the market to make a retracement. Are you getting the point? That will be what a selling opportunity. So let me show you the buy opportunity when we are going to be taking it. The buy opportunity, this is our Bollinger Band. As you can see, this is our Bollinger Band, and the market makes the high highs and high lows. So what we have to do to identify the pattern on the market, so we use our trend line. Are you getting the point? We connect the high highs and high lows of what inside of the market, and then we wait the market to break with one candle and touch above the Bollinger Band. The moment 1 hour touches the Bollinger Band, and then we enter exactly when the market reaches at the Bollinger Band, and then we do what? We bring the market back to our trend line. Are you getting the point? To our trend line. So which means this strategy, we are going to be trading only the retracement, which means the market will be coming and touches to our Bollinger Band, and then we drew our trend line. After drawing the trend line, when the market breaks and touches the Bollinger Band, the first candle to break out and then touches the Bollinger Band, and then we do what? We enter exactly. So the time frame we're going to be using H1 time frame. We're supposed to be using H1, and then daily time frame and minute 30. Are you getting point? Only these 3 time frame we're supposed to apply this scalping strategy. This scalping strategy, you are going to see that you turn $10 exactly when you see $10 in profit, then you close, you wait another opportunity, you turn. Now we have got $20. Those $20 you have to wait another opportunity, and then you execute, you make it to $40. $40 you come to $80. We are going to be getting a lot of opportunity from different pairs. Are you getting the point? So at this moment we are going to focus only on volatility 75, volatility 75 index. Are you getting the point? So this also strategy works in all currency pairs. It works on all indices. Are you getting the point? You can use it to jump and crash, boom, or every kind of chart which you want to implement in, then you can do what? You can use this strategy. So let us dive into the chart and I show you some examples. So when you come to the chart, you can see we are on H1 time frame. You can see now we are on H1 time frame right now. So if you can see clearly right now, here is our first example. You can see that I have drew our trend line here connecting these high highs. This is our Bollinger Band. You can see it. I'm going to be giving you the settings of the Bollinger Band at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around with me to understand a step-by-step process. Are you getting the point? So guys, I know most of you want to see 2 minutes of the video and then you jumping on to another video. You keep scrolling, which does not help. So you have to focus on one strategy so that you can understand. Make sure to stick around with me so that you don't miss the big massive of this strategy. As well, you can see I have drew here connecting this low and this lower and this lower high and this high and this high. Are you getting the point? So After connecting this, I waited the market to come and break. You can see my first candle here at this point. So it is when what I have executed. I want to come back, the market touches here. Let us say that we have account of what, of $10 exactly. When we have used 0, so we have used 0.0015 entries. Are you getting the point? 5 entries, by which means market, when it will hit at this around, I will be already doubled my account. So this strategy has no stop loss, Are you getting the point? We have no stop loss. Trade with this strategy, as you knowing, there are two only things, whether to blow the account or to flip the account. This is a flipping strategy, guys, which is massive and it works so good. So let me take you to another for another example, so that you can see we have another here example. If you can see very well, we have drawn our trend line from this area to this point and then downwards. We waited the market to break this our trend line exactly when it breaks our trend line, and then it touched to our Bollinger Band exactly. Our one close after touching our Bollinger Band, and then we executed. We brought back exactly at the trend line. Are you getting the point? At the trend line, you can see here at this zone we have been executing. We have already flipped our account. So let me take you to another example and you see it. Yes, we use H1O minute chart. You can see here exactly what I'm talking about. If you connect this point and this, you connect this point and this one, you can see that you can see that if we drew our trend line like this, so the market came and break out, it touches here. So you can see after 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, the market come back exactly at this zone. I'm getting the point. So the only thing, if you have only $10, what you have to do, don't risk all of that money at the same point, which means that you don't need to put a lot of entries. You have to use 3 to 5 maximum 5 entries, so that it will help you to hold this drawdown, so your account does not blow, so that the market can come back on your way. Are you getting the point? So if you are using 0.0013 entries, you can see that the market didn't blow your account. Another thing what I want to tell you guys, it is because of H1 time frame. Let's say that we are trading on H1 time frame right now as well. If you can see that you have only $10, you have only $10, and then you have executed, and the market it have come to hit to to $2 to $3. What you have to do, you have to exit, you have to close your profit. When you close your profit, you wait the market to retrace back, and then you execute again. When you see to $3, you close and then you execute the market again. This will help you to keep accumulating the amount, which means if you close $2, you will be having $12. The moment you get $12, by which means you have increased your equity. Are you getting the point? So let me take you to the settings of the Bollinger Band so that you can apply it on your chart. When you come here, you just come at around this area. You can see it. This is the area which I'm talking about of the indicator. Click on that. When you click on area of this indicator window, it will bring you can see we have here a Bollinger Band. This is the Bollinger Band what we have here right now. So this is a main chart. You click here at the plus button. When you click at that plus button, then we add Bollinger Band. When you click on that add of the Bollinger Band as well, when you can see here the settings of the Bollinger Band parameters, we are going to be having the period we using 16 period is 16. Then diversion we're having 1.986, and then shift is going to be applied to 0, and then apply to close. Style, put any style which you want according to eyes consideration, and then put color which you wish, and then levels leave at the default, and then time frame, make sure it applied to all time frame. So that is the strategy, guys, and those are the settings of the Bollinger Band, what you have to be applying to your settings. So if we come back, we can see that now if we're having $10, we can see now the market is approaching $2-3. If you can see very well here, right now, you can see that we are approaching to $4, and you can see that I have put here almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 entries. Those are 5 entries which I have placed in, guys. You can see that is the way how you can flip your account. All right, guys, this is the update. You can see what I have been talking about, that you have to wait. You can see now after 53 minutes, now you can see our trades, they are running $80. You can see, guys, what I have been telling you guys, that this strategy works massively. Are you getting the point? So implement it first. Try this on your demo account before you make it live. You get used on it, so that you can do what? You can start trading it live. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you have got value from this video, and keep watching that next video. See you today, another episode. Peace.